city, got a newer model in. Replace the people in the circle like they're changing out a pin. World moves fast and nobody waits for anyone. You're only as relevant as whatever you've just done. But I know a different kind of person, different kind of stay. The one who didn't leave when leaving would have been okay. Not the fair weather friend who loves you when the sun is out. The one who sat beside you in the winter of the doubt. I've been watching loyalty get listed as a flaw, watching patience get mistaken for a man without a jaw. But every ancient voice across the centuries said the same. The one who waits without complaint is playing along the game. I carry what I carried through the seasons no one saw, through the rooms where nobody clapped and nobody kept score. Not for recognition, not for anyone to know, just because some things are worth the waiting, worth the slow. Still here when the easy road said go. Still here through the highs and through the lows. Some things you don't trade in, some things you don't sell. Some people you hold on to through the heaven and the hell. Still here, not because I had to stay. Still here, because real doesn't walk away. When the whole world moved on and forgot your name, I was still here. Still here, still the same. Who promised on the brightest summer night disappear before the season turned and dimmed the light. Shook your hand and swore an oath on everything they owned, then moved quiet when the hardship came and left you on your own. Not with anger, not with malice, just a slow fade out. The unanswered message in the rerouted route. And I learned that time reveals a person better than their word. Not the speech they gave when everyone was watching and occurred, but the Tuesday when there's nothing in it, nothing left to gain. That's the Tuesday that'll tell you who will stay inside the rain. Because the ones the poets wrote about for centuries of verse weren't the loudest in the room, they were the steady through the curse. The mother who stayed up while everyone else left it off. The father who kept going when the going got too rough. That's the love the surrounding strings were always trying to find, the kind that doesn't trend because it isn't that design. Still here when the easy road said go. Still here through the highs and through the lows. Some things you don't trade in, some things you don't sell. Some people you hold on to through the heaven and the hell. Still here, not because I had to stay. Still here, because real doesn't walk away. When the whole world moved on and forgot your name, I was still here. Still here, still the same. I learned to sit inside, not the public kind with witnesses, the private kind with pride. Carried it like water in a cup without a lid, moving slow and careful, never spilling what I did. Every day the world outside demanded I perform, smiling to the camera, look alive, conform. But underneath the surface something ancient held its place, something that no timeline and no algorithm could replace. The Bansery knows about the weight and every note is long. Every breath between the phrases is what live and live the song. In a world of instant everything is swipe right, throw away. Staying is a radical and underrated way. So this is for the patient, for the ones who held the line. Your season is still coming and your season will be fine. In the quiet between everything the world demands you be, there is a version of yourself that never changed for free. Never sold the waiting, never rushed the grief. That person still standing in the same spot. That is not weakness, that is everything the world forgot. The harmonium holds its note long after the hand lifts. That is what loyalty sounds like. That is what still here means. Still here when the easy road said go. Still here through the highs and through the lows. Some things you don't trade in, some things you don't sell. Some people you hold on to through the heaven and the hell. Still here, not because I had to stay. Still here, because real doesn't walk away. When the whole world moved on and forgot your name, I was still here,
still here,
still the same.